I'll pull the trigger with my eyes closed, hoping to hit you somewhere vital. And when I miss you, come and kiss me with a smile.
You shouldn't mess with me, you don't wanna mess with me. Cause if you mess with me, you're messing with my family. You shouldn't mess with me, you don't wanna mess with me. Cause if you mess with me, you're messing with my family.
I cut that bitch head off and walk away giggling. It do not make sense to me how you so gangster but only pop through a screen. I'm counting up all this green. I fucked on a friend and I passed that bitch through the team.
I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? Would the taste of your lips, I'm alright. You're toxic, I'm slipping under the taste of the poison that I die. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic?
Hey kids, nice to meet ya. Are you ready for some Fazbear pizza?
Who's this? Working at the night shift.
I don't know, but I don't think I like him.
He's so cute, I can feel his heart racing.
About time we had a brand new plaything.
Another yellow belly balking like a chicken.
Listen gang, I say that we take it.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby.
Bitch, then leave. Get that bread, get that head, then leave.
Wake up, Godzilla! I ain't drinking, I'm just taking bitches down. Lay down, pump it to the ground. She is
I am coming in. Did you read the sign? What sign? You sneak up on me again and I'll cut you to pieces. I apologize. You're a stiff guy. Why are you here? It's snack time. I have an appointment. Do you not check your schedule? Not really. You're 30 minutes early. Being early means being on time. Just sit down. All right, eyebrows, let's start with your naming. I have a few questions. What crime caused you to go to prison? I didn't commit a crime, I turned myself in. It was a mission to scope out security in another country. Oh, so you completed your mission and left. More like I got bored and blew the place up. How brute of you! How is somebody with that aggression teaching students? I think we're all asking ourselves that question. Is that all? Also, your bickering with Bakugo is very inappropriate. Look, me and Baku Bastard got beef. Head of security, yes. You teaching students? Preposterous. Leave or die. Teaching students is exhausting. I mean, all I've done is yell at them. Hey, I'm coming in! Mike! Hey, Sage! What are you doing here? I brought you a gift, wanted to say hi. Strawberry Pocky! I know it's your favorite. Mike, you're the best. You know it. So, how are the students? Oh, they're awful. Yeah, they're definitely a dynamic bunch. Real crowd pleasers. Yeah, they're so crazy, they make me feel sane. Now that's something. Yeah, but other than that Bakugo bastard, they're not that bad. You chasing after Bakugo makes my entire day. Yeah, if only Grumpy Zao would let me kill him. Have you talked to him recently? Nah, I try to avoid him at all costs. I can just hear the lecture already. Ugh, just thinking about his lectures. Yeah, it's pretty annoying. Hey, you want a bite? Yeah, I do.